Getting the job done with Contract Maker Pros.
When April was drawing to a close, comparisons were made of the two top apps that allow consumer to model releases from the iPhone. Both developers were then challenged to add the missing features to each of their apps that would perfect them, and the first important update that was submitted is the new application, Contract Maker Pro, by Michael Shiffler. Mr. Shiffler needs to be applauded. Not only did he listen to the complaints and suggestions that were made, he went and developed a wonderfully fresh multi-purpose tool for businesses. These contracts are totally customizable, and are so suited to a much wider portion of users. Photographers' Contract Maker, or PCM, has long been considerably in advance of any of its competitors when you consider the amount of placeholders, or fields, that consumers are able to put in throughout their contracts, but this latest Pro version goes one step further. You are not only able to make use of all the similar kinds of placeholders as those available from PCM, you now have access to 10 custom text fields that you are able to assign to whatever information you would like to capture. There are 5 roller fields, of the kind that display a wheel that you spin and then select a value, 6 custom checkboxes, and, finally, a counting number placeholder which will mechanically increase the value, in other words, a contract number. You are further able to select one of 5 available fonts in which to format your contract, and this extends far beyond property and model releases. This is not aimed solely at videographers and photographers. It is a wonderful tool that anybody can use to supply completely customized contracts and then have their customers sign off on them immediately by electronic means. Consumers have expressed the need to add photographs instantly to contracts, perhaps it's a photo of a model, or even a driver's license in order to verify your age, and this is now possible, and you are also able to access photographs from those you have stored for your contacts. Contacts can be imported as you need from your address book, and rename them. You are able to reuse them without needing to keep your old contracts. There is a new custom logo feature that comes complete with an on switch as well as an off one, so you are able to disable it when you're dealing with contracts that you don't need to put your logo on. There is finally a shape to clear the screen ability on the signature panel, which makes starting over if you need to much less of a hassle.
Name: TechWench. Email: admin@techwench.com. Website: www.techwench.com.